Today, I'm going to take you step by step on how to add the Google Material Symbol icon font to your Squarespace website using only a few lines of code in your custom CSS. I'll be including detailed steps in the video description with links to the font and the CSS code for you to copy and paste into your site. First, let's head to fonts.google.com/icons and go to their GitHub repository. Go down to variable font, and we are going to download a WAF 2, and let's go with a rounded. Over here is download. Next, go to your Squarespace website, go to your pages, and go down to Website Tools, Custom CSS, Custom Files, and we are going to add that font. After uploading our custom font, we're going to type into our custom style sheet, font face, font family, and the name of the font, Material Symbols Rounded, source, URL, and in the parentheses, Squarespace will automatically add the file you uploaded. And then I like to apply the font to one of our sizes. I don't use header 4s or 3s very often, so we're going to do our header 4s, font family, and then the name of your font. And after writing that, you can see all header 4s now are using the Google Material font. On their website here is where you can find lots of different icons. You can search for ones, and let's pull out. We'll use cake. And if you have it set on header 4, type in cake, it'll appear there.